Well, come January, selling marijuana becomes legal in California. But instead of celebrating, many businesses fear they'll have to close shop and move elsewhere. Gil Reyes has more from downtown. Gil.
Yes, Yana, even cultivators and sellers of medical marijuana, which has been legal in Los Angeles for years, feel threatened. That is because all LA marijuana businesses have to apply for new sales licenses to match the new state law kicking in January. The problem is the permitting process can be difficult, and there's no guarantee that those sales licenses will arrive come New Year's. That means marijuana businesses could be operating illegally by January. Medical marijuana distributors say they're threatened by the current permitting process.
For me to maintain my business legally, I need to move. I don't want to move, but I feel like I'm being forced to move out of the city and take those jobs out of the city.
Cannabis sellers, cultivators, and manufacturers packing this council committee meeting. They're objecting to having to wait for new sales permits in order to operate in the new year. That's when selling cannabis officially becomes legal in California. The problem is there's no telling when these state and city licenses will arrive.
It's going to make it harder for the people that want to operate legally to continue on operating.
The LA City Council is considering provisional or temporary licenses for marijuana businesses so they can continue to operate during this awkward phase.
I will be listening to concerns and recommendations from the industry and our colleagues in order to deal with how we're going to figure out how to proceed with cultivators, and Lord knows we want to protect jobs.
We employ a lot of people, we're paying our taxes, but we need that protection while we go through the application process.
A process experiencing growing pains during the transition to full statewide legalization. At City Hall, I'm Gil Reyes for LA This Week.
The city has approved draft regulations that could be changed later. The good news, the council says the city and the industry mostly agree on issues like business hours and taxes. Tougher issues like permitting and public smoking laws will have to be resolved later.